So in order to remove this widget, I need to go here to the wasted icon. And here I can do a bunch of things, okay? I can like change the properties and everything. So what I will do is to basically create an animation, okay? I will have an animation here. I will click here. And this will be my intro animation, okay? Wasted. And then here I will track. Let's rename this like image wasted, and this will be my size box. I don't really need to change this name, so I can just go here to image wasted, okay, and then I can just basically go here, and I will track from 0 to 1. Okay, what I will track is the render opacity. So I will start with 0. Okay, and when it's 1, I want to put 1 here. So if you play the animation, it's like this, like it's fading. Okay, what else I want to track? I want to track the size box. Okay, so what we can have is basically the size box here. Right, let's just track yeah, let's just track the size box, and here we can track not this one, sorry. Let's go here. Let's just rename this like size box main. Okay, there you go, size box main. Now we can track this, and what we can track is the transform. Okay, and maybe I can do something like the scale. I can put something like 0.8 at the beginning in X and Y. And now I can go here and I can leave it at 1. Actually, it already put the 1 here. Oh, let's just put it like that. So how my animation looks like, it's like this. Awesome. Now, if we play here, we won't be able to see the animation because there is no way we told the blueprint that we need to play the animation, okay? So what else I need to do? Well, I need to play this animation in a function, okay? So this animation here is called intro animation wasted, okay? We will solve one problem first, is that the wasted is on all the time. So we're gonna go here to the graph, okay? And we're gonna go here to the image wasted, and then set visibility here. And here, by default, is visible. So what we will do is put hidden. Okay, so what we can do now is go here, and now you will see that my UI is hidden. Great. Okay, so what we will do now is to basically add this functionality when the player hits the track.